Hello, today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Osmo Action magnetic quick release adapter mount. I have a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro camera, and obviously this comes with the DJI quick release mounts. They look like this. They've got little magnets on them to help them sort of attract or orientate to the camera, and then they click into place. To release them, you've got to push the two buttons at the same time and pull them away like that, and that's quite a strong magnetic bond that they have. So I bought the K&F Concept magnetic quick release mounts off Amazon to see if they were the same quality. Some reviews I'd read said that these were actually better than the DJI equivalents. So let's see what's in the box. So we have a little warranty card here with just the product details and the manufacturer details, and some consumer codes here as well. So this is what's included in the pack: the 2 thumb screws, the 2 magnetic quick release bases. You've got a 1/4-inch tripod adapter here, and you've got your GoPro J-type quick release clip or mounting base here as well. These are all designed to work seamlessly with the Action 5 Pro. So you'll see that mount is connected to my Action 5 Pro quite well. It's very robust and stable. I like the fact that the little release clips are a different color, because when you pull on them and you pull them apart, they work great. That actually works a lot smoother than the originals, and it clamps quite quickly. The magnetic traction is good, so those work quite well. So the 2 mounts can be used with any of the other connector mounts just by using the thumb screws and slotting them into place. So if you had a chest mount or something similar that took this GoPro J-type quick release mount, then you could just plug that into your chest mount and you'd be able to attach your Action 5 camera like that. Also, if you had a tripod mount with a 1/4-inch screw like that, you could use this adapter to fit to the top of the tripod and then connect one of these magnetic release mounts to that with the thumb screw. And then again, you can just mount your Action 5 Pro to the top of that. And there you go. So what do I think? I think this is really good value, because you're getting 2 of these magnetic quick release mounts for the same price that you would pay for one of the DJI branded ones. Plus, you're also getting the 2 thumb screws, the J-type quick release mount, and the 1/4-inch tripod adapter. So I think that's really good value for the money. The quality is good. The build and materials used are good. A great addition for your action camera kit bag.